Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly create a many-to-one mail merge with Outlook using a free plugin called Secure Mail Merge. Now, what's a many-to-one? If we look at this spreadsheet, for example, we can see there are 3 rows for Alex, 1 for Mary and 2 for John. In a classic mail merge, each row would get their own email. So Alex would get 3, Mary 1 and John 2. In a many-to-one, we're going to group those that go to the same recipient, in this case Alex and John, and insert a table of information that is different in each row. In this case, the book number, the book, the due date, and the book link. If you haven't already done so, head over to securemailmerge.com, click the button on the top right. That will take you to the app source where the Secure Mail Merge plugin lives. Clicking on Get It Now will add it to your Outlook. Once you've done that, you can go to click a new email. I'm going to maximize this window briefly. And you'll find Secure Mail Merge under Apps, right at the start, and it will open here in the sidebar. Then we're going to go ahead and click Use Spreadsheet, select that spreadsheet that we saw before, and it will identify there are multiple recipients or multiple identical recipients in the spreadsheet. And you can use the classic version of just sending 1 email per recipient, or you can click many-to-one. This will create this button here that you will use to add the table. But let's start off by creating a normal email. Let's start with a subject line of member information, and we're going to add the member number in the subject. Then we're going to add a greeting and last name. Then we're going to add an introduction for your attention. Now here's where we want to add the table in a moment, and then it's just a goodbye from Sue. Now here we're going to add the table. To do that, I'm going to click Add Many-to-One Table. And here I can choose from all of the columns in the spreadsheet. Now, I really usually want to only add those that are different in each row, but you can, if you wanted to, repeat the same information in each row. In my case, I'm going to start with the book number, the book, the due, and the due date in this case, and the book link. I'm just going to add that. This creates the token for this many-to-one table. It has the format of table and then the different columns you want. You can move these around if you want. Just beware of the tags that they're a little bit different to the standard tag that you have when you're just replacing a single value. And then the first thing you want to do is test the email, or send yourself a test email. Once you've done that, you can find the test email in your inbox, and you can see the replacement has happened for the standard mail merge fields, and here is the table that's been created based on the information in the spreadsheet. And if you're happy with that, you can return to the email and just click Start Sending Campaign. And this will send 1 email for each of the recipients. And if you then head over to your sent items, you can see the 3 emails that we generated for the different people in our spreadsheet. And that's how you create a many-to-one email merge with Outlook very easily and quickly.